nakapag-atid na ako. Hanap tayo na pwede nating tambayan sandali. Kasi medyo mainit. So lumabas na ako ng KFC. Na ako sa labas. Hanap tayo ibang pwesto na pwedeng tambayan. Siguro punta ako ng mall, Centro Mall, punta ako doon, or sa Vista Mall. Hanap tayo ibang pwedeng tambayan. Dito tayo ng park. Ayan, so, pogi na ng motor na yan. So, tara, ito tayo ngayon sa Vista Mall. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Malolos kasi we have few agendas na gagawin while we are here. So, ang isa sa mga agenda natin is una, syempre, hintayin na yung girlfriend ko na makauwi. Second agenda is hanap tayo ng pwedeng tambayan. Probably gonna do some music, do some konting editing for some stuff. And then, yun lang, hintayin ko lang talaga siya makauwi para like uwi na kami after nun. So, probably if may internet connection, I will do some research. Parang gusto ko ulit bumili ng camera. I do miss having a physical camera other than the phone itself. So, isa sa mga agenda yan. So, hanap tayo ng pwedeng tambayan natin ngayon. Ako ng music, I'll try to make some music. And then, siguro maya try natin yung bigot. I have my other phone here, mag-picture. But straight, internet lang nasa rin natin. Got to get the spark na creative, creative side. So, let's go. See you later. So ayun, nalabat na yung laptop ko. Ikot na lang tayo dito sa mall. Kasi hindi ko pa siya naikot ng buo. So, ikot tayo. Pickleball na mga pickleball pala dito na court. Pickleball din to yun. Medyo open space siya, medyo malawak na, to be honest. Ayun, may pickleball area din dito. Ayun, nakakamiss din yung ganito. Alam mo yun, nag-stroll lang ako sa mga malls. Usually ba pinupunta ko ng mga monumento, ganun. Pupunta tayo sa ganun, may mga ka-meetups ako na mga binibentahan. Ngayon, I'm just, ganun pa rin namin ginagawa minsan buy and sell. Pero ngayon, nagigit ako sa mall. Still vlogging pero ngayon phone na gamit ko. We come a long way na. I do miss those vlogs. I do still have some of those vlogs. Either hidden somewhere. Yun lang. Parang nakamiss lang din mag-vlog. Kaya sila dito parang para siyang kids zone. Kinder City. Laki din, no? Merong ganyan pang matanda eh. Kinder City. Okay, so medyo nababagot na ako sa mall. Hanap tayo ng ibang pwedeng puntahan, ibang pwedeng tambayan. Siguro sa labas naman tayo. So, 7-Eleven. Hanap tayo ng pwedeng mainom siguro. Sayang walang Milo. Ng iced tea. Pepsi tayo. So, malapit mag-out yung girlfriend ko. Hanap tayo ng pwedeng kainan ng lugaw. Yung malapit lang sana sa school, yung along the way. Para kain na kagad. And then, siguro habang wala pa, may 30 minutes pa ako. Hanap tayo ng pwedeng paglinisan ng motor. Siguro. So, dito tayo sa may bandang Paupo, Plaza of the Road. So dito sa mga reasons ba't ako nag-video ulit is I miss making videos, you know. I just miss also just making vlogs. Nami-miss ko yung just talking about my thoughts, what I've been doing. But I'm also just trying to find my spark again. Kasi lately, even though I had time, I can find my own time. Parang di ako makapag-video. I didn't have spark when making videos again. I wanted to meet on something, make a video, make a film, make some music, you know. I know I'm not burned out because I've never created anything. So there's no reason to be burned out. So I'm just doing this, just trying to find my spark. You know, para masimulan lang ulit. Forcing myself to create, that's what I said. So, yeah, it's one of the reasons why I make this vlog. Trying out new techniques, you know, same old stuff, you know, vlogging, but with different techniques, different texts, different perspective na, diba? So, yeah. So, kung di ako makita ng pwede nating pag-linisan ng motor, wala pa akong makita. Hanap na lang ngayon pwede pagbilan ng tubig na hindi malamig para sa girlfriend ko. And, you know, there are a lot of things I want to talk about, pero soon na yun. So, ngayon we have agendas pa. So, let's just, you know, let's do what we need to do. Tara. Kami ngayon, Bukawi. Merong may sakit. Kahit yung may lugaw. Yan. Sakit na lang muna na eh. Lugaw muna. So now, finally home. Nasa bahay na tayo ngayon. What did we learn in this video? So, sorry as there's not much really content on this video. But if you, di nyo na masyadong napanood. Pero kumbaga, ang point on this video is to make something, you know, try to get the spark. You know, I still want to make videos, things like that. I still want to create. I still want to do something. And maybe I'm trying to find that spark, that kind of para ma-build ulit yung grind, yung fuel ko for creativity. Diba? I still love to film. I still love to making music. Pero kumbaga, I'm still trying to find that momentum. So I'm trying to create stuff. Also, I have I'm making stuff also on TikTok. Check out my TikTok, guys. I post daily videos, not really daily, but I mostly post short ideas. I put it on TikTok. If I see more of my motorcycle, it's all on TikTok. I guess that's all for now. Nakakapagod tong araw din na to. Marami tayong napuntahan, things like that. Pero hindi pa rin tapos ang araw ko. Pero di naman natapos yung vlog kasi babiyahin na ako. Maybe sama ko kayo sa biyahe ko sa susunod. But for now, that's all for today. See you guys next time. Peace out.